So anyways guys, this is what a microphone sounds like by this company. This video is going to be kind of a long one, so maybe this is all you came here for, to just find out what the sound is like. That's actually what it sounds like, guys. Hello guys, and welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing these two receivers here. This is for like doing like interviews and stuff. So what do we have here? We have a receiver here, and then we have this thing. So obviously I don't need to hook up two systems to it at the same time. I could just hook up one. Looks like we also have this thing. This has batteries that you just slide in over here and stuff like that. So yeah, did you guys see that? Yeah, I already put some batteries in here. So let's go ahead and hit power on. So we have power on right here, and then this thing we're gonna hit power on, and we have a normal microphone here and another microphone, phantom power here. So we're gonna basically take this, plug it in here, screw it in. So looks like I just have one of those, one phantom power. Then we also have antennas. So I'm just gonna put two antennas on here because I don't know which one of them is gonna be that important. So let's do that. Okay, now I got my fingers crossed. Hopefully I could actually use this. What is this? Mobile phone audio. Yes, that's what we want. That is what we want. So it is this wire. So this is gonna go into, I'm gonna be using an iPhone, so this is gonna go into the iPhone dongle. So now we're gonna need I guess this wire here. This is where you put that in. So you want to make sure you're gonna twist everything on. I'm really sorry guys if sometimes I don't get this into the view. Probably gonna need this thing to be kind of tight. Hopefully I get it tight enough. And we got channel 1 here. And we also got a frequency of 638. So these things are a lot more professional. Let's just say that. There's also micro USBs for them. So I wonder if they could just run off micro USB power, because these batteries are not rechargeable that I plugged in. So we got the phantom cord here. We have a couple windscreen muff mics. So I want to make sure that's a lav mic. That's another lav mic. It is a cold shoe mount adapter that you attach. Okay, you basically do it like that, where you can actually attach this to whatever. Well, you're not gonna attach this to yourself, obviously, but let me show you how this would work. So, anyways, guys, let's say I want to have like I don't want to wear this on my body, but I just want to be able to hold this rig somewhere. Technically, you could be using this for this type of setup actually, if you want to put this on top of your camera, let's say like you plug it in. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to be actually using this little stand to show you where the receiver is going to go, because we're actually going to be using this. Yeah, so now you can kind of see that I mounted a receiver here with my phantom power, because I'm just going to plug in phantom power into it. I could have just directly put this into the tripod, but I wanted to show you. Let's say that this was the receiver. It could be at the very top here. You could have your setup. You could be vlogging right here, and you could have like your iPhone or whatever right there, and you could just be vlogging, and you have your like wireless sound. Now I don't know why you would want wireless sound while you're vlogging. Maybe you passing the camera along so people could hear you, or maybe you set it down somewhere and you walk away. Then that's going to be really important. That being aside, I wonder why they included this type of an adapter. I think they should have included a different type of a socket on the back. I'm not sure if there's like if this is interchangeable. I mean, let's see here. Not really. This would be good if there was like two different adapters, like one of them with the male and one of them with the female adapter, because that's really what I would want. But I don't know what the what the other microphone looks like by Volt NT1A. We will find out. But let's find out what this one sounds like with the regular type of lavalier microphone. So we're just gonna go ahead and actually plug this one. Go ahead and actually plug the lav mic in. And here it is. So anyways guys, this is what a microphone sounds like by this company. This video is going to be kind of a long one, so maybe this is all you came here for, to just find out what the sound is like. That's actually what it sounds like, guys. But anyways, let's continue the video, guys. Well, anyways, guys, let's continue the video now. Obviously, I am now talking on this type of system. Instead of mounting this anywhere, I decided to kind of keep it right here. We could just hit the power button on once. Well, upon recording, I actually noticed when I hit the power, I guess twice, I ended up muting myself when I actually was recording. But it's okay. It's no big deal. I didn't say nothing that important. But anyways, guys, there is two systems like this here. We have a second person that could be wearing their lav mic right here. And this little system is going to be catching both of them via these antennas here. And then we also have a microphone, well, headphones area over here to actually listen to it. So that's for phones. I don't think we have any headphones in here, do we? We have a lav kit with an extra cushiony thing. We also have a couple windscreens. That's about it. I mean, could this be phantom powered headphones? Have you guys ever seen it before? Because I mean, this is the only thing I could actually plug in over here and actually screw in. I doubt it, but I'm going to actually take a look at the instructions, and they're actually really, really confusing. I should not even read them to you guys because it's really, really weird instructions. So I do wonder, you know, what is this for? Why did they include it? Because I actually didn't look at the instructions, but when I've seen this phantom power included, I immediately thought, you know what, phantom microphone, I'm gonna plug it up. But perhaps I'm gonna need to find two female ends for the phantom power, because this and this is the same, so it needs to be different. See what it looked like? Yeah. Alright guys, this is obviously the microphone right now. This is the original microphone lapel that comes with this wireless system here. So I wanted to go ahead and plug it in for the reference, because the very next microphone that I'm going to be plugging in, it's going to be this Comica microphone. And you might have like another DSLR microphone that you want to use. Maybe you have a Rode or you have something else. And it would be kind of nice to know if maybe you could be sitting here in your studio like this, like I am, and you could be using it to record. Maybe it sounds better instead of like something like this. So I'm going to try to listen to what this one sounds like, and I'm going to be plugging in this next, and we'll go from there. Try out some other mics. I've noticed that the sound was a little bit too low, and I kind of was wondering maybe there's something else that I could actually change in here. So we have like a up and down button, so it says mix and basically ST, so I guess it's like standard. So I put that to standard, which I think mix means it's going to be using like two receivers like this, and you can just kind of like go back and forth. On this one, I've noticed that there is a low cut, I guess a low cut filter. It was on and now it's off. So currently it is off, and that's how that is right there. So for now, that's how it is. I don't see any other volume up and down buttons for me to control. So I guess let's see what it sounds like. All right, so first, let's see if this is even working. So I got this thing plugged in. We're basically at 10 decibels extra, you know, voice. So hopefully this is gonna sound a little bit louder. I hope it even works. So let's see. Well, guys, I would like to say that I'm impressed. This does work with it, so I'm actually quite happy because it turns out that this particular microphone, it's not loud enough, and I have this other lapel microphone as well from this other system, and it's definitely loud enough on this other system. So I'm kind of wondering, is it a different type of microphone setup or what? So I'm gonna try to compare the two. I'm gonna pull this off. Visually, they look identical. They even got the same type of clip and everything. Everything about them looks the same. I could almost mix them up. This is similar type of system, except this is specifically designed to work with mobile phones, obviously smartphones, and you know. But I could tell that this one has a little bit of a sturdier type of a cushion on there. That one doesn't. It just seems like it wants to fall off. But one of the main things I wanted to test if phantom power works. I have phantom power plug right here. But as you could see, we have a phantom microphone over here. And it's the same type of plug, so I can't really plug it in. And the wire that we have, it's obviously got a male and a female connector, so that's quite useless. I am hoping that I could just buy, I guess it would be like a female to female connector. So because both of these are males, which I wonder why they did that. They should have did this as a female. I mean, then you could just plug it in like that, or extend the cable using something like this. And of course I have a couple other choices, but one thing's for sure, to simplify things, you can plug in external microphones, and that is a big plus, because chances are you're already using some kind of boom mic or a shotgun mic or something else that you're using. Maybe you like the sound that's coming out of that, and it's gonna work for you. Alright guys, here's what I've done. I have this other wireless type of microphone system sitting over here. It's by the same brand. The microphones look the same, but do they sound the same? Because that's actually what I plugged in. This is my other one that I have in here, and of course I have two of them. There's another one in the bag, but I wonder if it sounds the same, just for the heck of it, to check it out. So let's check it out. Okay, just as I thought, there is absolutely no difference from these lapel microphones by this brand here. It is all the same. So at this point, my microphone of choice is basically this comic. This is the very best microphone that I do have, which is just a $50 microphone, that I have for shotgun microphones. I just don't have any of the other ones because I mainly use lapel microphones. I have some USB microphones as well, and I have a couple phantom powered microphones. Which phantom microphone is something I would like to see work in this video. If it doesn't, then it doesn't, then I could not have the wire to work. So, see you guys in my next video.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.